Hey everyone, so today I have another Finding Unicorn haul for you, and I got a bunch of the new ones. So we have a couple of these Tea Party Molinta or Molinta back to Rococo. I also got some of the Zzoton Travel Together. And it also came with a couple of freebies. So we have the Happy Island Rico, which I already opened a full set. Some Naughty Party Repolars. And I also got some Uli Ulis. So I think I'm gonna start by opening the Rico Happy Island. I did get the entire series, so there shouldn't be any surprises. The only thing that would be crazy is if it got me a secret. Probably not, but we're gonna just go ahead and open. And it's the Hula Rico, which we already have, so I'm going to keep it in the box, so maybe I can trade this with somebody. Let's go ahead and do the Naughty Party Repolar. So I haven't opened one of these before. It's a kind of older series. So it looks like you can get the Jack-o'-lantern, the Frankenstein, the Mummy, the Pirate, the Wolf, the Grim Reaper, a skeleton, a witch, a cat, a spider, a magic potion, trick or treat, and 2 secrets. I think probably I'd want the witch the most, or magic potion. The jack-o'-lantern's actually pretty cute too though. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we get. Oh, I saw a little reflection of green. Ooh. And it looks like we got the potions one. It's just Repolar in a little potion bottle, and it's actually so cute. And he's like kneeling down too. And look at the little bear on its head. And of course the card is super bent, but we have magic potion. And here it is. And it looks so good. I wish the card wasn't bent though. Let's try the Uli Ulis next. So in Uli Ulis, I think there's 4 in every box, and it said it's the camping series. There are some new ones, which is an Agon and a Rico. It seemed like they were pretty much the same, but they may have just added these 2 only. How do you open this? These are the 4 that we got. Here's the first one. It's a big ears. It says myself on top. And we have this character, which I don't know the name of. And we have a little Zzoton. Oh, and it looks like we got one of the new ones on the box. It's an Agon. And what is it on its eyes? It's just like a star eye, a dot eye. Oh, and it says camping on the little thing right here. So here are the 4 that we got. We have one more box to open as well. Let's open up box number 2. And we have a little Shinu bear. So cute. Ooh, we have a little Molinta. And we have a little Repolar. It's so cute. This one's more like a Christmas themed. I wish these are so hard to open. How do you open this so easily? Okay. And it looks like we have the other new one. This is the Rico Camping. So we got both of the new camping series ones. So we have these 4. And we got all different ones. We have 8 different characters here and no doubles, which is amazing. And we got 2 of the new ones on the cover. Okay, I think I'm going to go with the Zzoton Travel next. And this is the newest Zzoton series. The lineup's super cute. So there's Travel Vlogger, Let's Go, Shopaholic, Shepherd Girl, Art Fan, Go Hiking, Piggy Cycle, Yummy Finder, Wonderful Desert, Bamboo Raft, Lucky Mahjong, and Baby Taxi. This is the first series in a while where the secret isn't really doing it for me. I liked Let's Go and Piggy Cycle the most, so those 2. I also wouldn't mind Art Fan or Baby Taxi or Lucky Mahjong. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, it's bulky. Oh! Ha! We have the taxi! Look how cute that is! And it actually has like a shield. Oh, this is too adorable. And the wheels don't spin, which makes it great for me. Look at them! The baby taxi. And there are definitely babies in this taxi, so cute. And the next one. Oh no. I felt it. They sent me 2 baby taxis. Okay, that is just rude. I'm gonna keep this in the box though, because I'm sure someone will want this, but that is just rude. I bought 2 boxes and they sent me a double. We're gonna go for the main event, which is the Molinta Back to Rococo series. It's kind of like a tea party series. So there's a bunch of different designs. You can get, is it Peerless Beauty, Mirror Whisper, Violet's Prayer, Tea Party, Sweet, this looks like Sweet Walty. This one is Sunset Mansion, Earl of Black Tea, Miss, down here is Miss Rose, and Gilded Mask. Or I can't read this font very well. And then there's 2 secrets. The one that I really want would be, I know I like this small secret. I also would want Earl of Black Tea. I wouldn't mind Mirror Whisper or Peerless Beauty or maybe Sunset Mansion. Those 3 are okay, but I really want the Earl of Black Tea plus the small secret. Or let's go ahead and open up the first box. Okay, and look at the packaging. It's so fancy. Very regal. Oh, and we have the one I didn't know what I was saying. Sweet Walty? I'm pretty sure that is a Y. I think it's Sweet Walty. She's very fancy in her little bonnet and her dress, and she's holding it up like she's like... Oh, Waltz! That's a Z. Sweet Waltz. Okay, that makes sense. It's like the beginning where you like basically bow and greet each other before a dance. Sweet Waltz. That's a Z. And here's the card. And Sweet Waltz right here. Box number 2. Let's open it up. And, oh, we got the one we wanted. And there's a little cane right here. So we have the Earl of Black Tea. Let's give it the cane. And the cane, I think, just goes right here. Oh, it does. Oh, it falls off easily though. Okay, so you have to be really careful with it because it can fall off easily. The cane itself, the paint job is not the greatest because it has a little smear of gold paint right here. But here is the Earl of Black Tea. She looks so fancy. And then if you look really close at the jacket, There's like little gold S's everywhere. The design is so nice. Box number 3. Oh, this card looks fancier. I think it's a unique card. Oh, it's a teacup. So we have this one with a little teacup. Let's give... Ooh, hold on. Let's give her a little teacup. She's sipping her little tea. She has a little hat with flowers. Here it is. And it's motion, or what is it? Is it holographic? It's the motion one where you can see her drinking the cup. That's so cool. Okay, we're going on to the 4th one. Oh, and this one's in like a little plastic blister case. So we have a little yellow one with purple hair, and she has her little masquerade mask. Like so. She came in this box too, so she must have been like extra fragile compared to the rest. And she is the Gilded Mask. The colors are so nice on these, they're so vibrant. And if you look at the details on her dress, they have little grapes on them. Matches her little grape-like hair. Let's see what are the chances of us getting a secret. We did get a unique card, but since it's not from the same box, which we found out by getting 2 taxi cars, there's still a chance. Let's go ahead and open it up. And we have the fan. There's a little fan. Maybe it goes in this hand. So you have to put it in one specific spot for this fan to stay in place, which is not a great design. And we have the Peerless Beauty, and her colors are actually so much better in real life. There is like a... Oh, her hat. No, I dropped it. So her hat is actually flocked. And this is matte, and then the rest of her is super shiny. So it's like a really nice texture difference. There's 3 different textures on her. Here's the last one. So we have Violet's Prayer, which is just like a little pajama girl with a little candle. I really like how they went all out with like the printing on the dresses. It's a lot different from their usual. So this is my Finding Unicorn haul for today's video. I think my favorite one would be the Masquerade Molinta along with my Earl of Black Tea. I also love my Taxi, even though we got 2 of them. And I do really like this Repolar. This was a very pleasant surprise. And we did get this unique card, so that's also a win too. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching. Catch me on my next Finding Unicorn haul. Thank you.